Philosophy of education. I believe strongly in Howard Gardner's theory of multiple intelligences. Howard Gardner, a developmental psychologist based at Harvard University, developed in the 1980s the theory that there are 8 forms of intelligence: visual spatial, verbal linguistic, logical mathematical, bodily kinesthetic, musical rhythmic, naturalistic, interpersonal, and intrapersonal. Schools traditionally tend to favor 2 types of intelligence, logical and verbal. However, not all children are as strong in these 2 forms of intelligence as others. My philosophy of education is based on 2 main constants. First, since I began to read about science, I've noted that the human brain is very complex, and our knowledge of its functioning is rather rudimentary. Second, since I began my teaching career, I've observed that each child is unique and comes to school with a different set of skills and experiences. What are the ramifications of these 2 constants? If each child comes to school with a unique background and skill set, then as teachers we must try to find out what their strengths are and then arrange our instruction in function of these. This unique set of abilities for each child corresponds with Gardner's idea of different intelligences. Next, if our knowledge of the brain is limited due to its complexity, then we can as yet observe but a limited part of its workings, especially those parts which tend to limit themselves at present to quantification via statistical models. These are, in fact, the verbal linguistic and logical mathematical forms of intelligence, which tend to be evaluated on achievement and intelligence tests. However, other skills or soft skills, such as the ability to get along with others, what Gardner refers to as interpersonal intelligence, for example, are not so easily quantified. They do, however, play an important role in development and success in life. As a teacher, it is my role to use these other intelligences where possible when teaching. I must harness them and incorporate them into my instruction to ensure that each child has a chance at success.